The topic of the day is present simple tense in the affirmative, negative, and question form. Starting with the affirmative form. We use the present simple to talk about routines. John wakes up at 7 a.m. and goes to work by bike. Things that people do every day so. Another case that we use is to talk about facts that everybody knows. Our planet is round. Birds fly. Careful with the spelling of the third person singular. You should add es after verbs ending in ch, sh, and o. Examples. Catch. It will become catches. He or she catches. Push. He or she pushes. Go. He or she goes. He goes to school by bus. She teaches English or Spanish. With verbs ending in consonant plus y, we should change y into ies. So the y, we delete it and it becomes I. Examples. Hurry, hurries. Study, studies. Carry, carries. She studies law. He carries heavy boxes. An irregular verb is have, for example, which will change into has or just has. I have, you have, he or she has. How do we form the negative form of the present simple? We form it by adding do not or does not before the verb. With the subjects I, you, we, they have the same thing, do not or don't, the short form, and he or she or it has does not or doesn't. So, I don't work, you don't work, we don't work, they don't work. The other case, he doesn't work, she doesn't work, it doesn't work. Now, object pronouns. We use object pronouns when we don't want to repeat the name. Anne has a new dress. She loves it. So we don't say again the same thing. Anne has a new dress. She loves the dress. So instead of the dress again, we say it. My mom and my brother are in the kitchen. He is helping her. Do not say he is helping mom again. We say her. So, in the case of I, the object pronoun is me. You the same. He, him. She, her. It doesn't change. We becomes us and they, them. Let's see the question form now. We form it by putting do or does at the beginning of the question. Do I work? Do you work? Do they work? Do we work? The answer will be with yes or no. Yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, we do. Yes, they do. Or no, I don't. No, you don't. No, they don't. No, we don't. Does he work? Does she work? The answer will be again yes or no. Yes, he or she does. No, he or she doesn't or does not. Here are some question words for information. So, there aren't only yes or no answers, but there are questions that we need information for them. We use question words to ask information. Let's see. Where do you work, for example? Where do they work? Where does he work? Where does she work? When do you wake up, or what time do you wake up? How do you go to school? By what? What does she have for breakfast? How often do you read books? What do they study? Etc. etc. Time expressions that we use in this case are like when we answer about these questions will be every day, once a week or twice a week, at the weekend, in the evening. So things that you usually do and which are related to present simple tense.